Provide sharp knives.
This is a good one because another way of saying this, the opposite way of saying this, the Java way of saying is do not provide foot guns, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to give you sharp knives. You're a child. You can't handle a sharp knife. Here's a dull butter knife. Cut your damn steak, right? That's a very frustrating experience. You want a sharp knife, even though you might be able to cut yourself. I trust humans in the same way that Matts trusts humans. Maybe you cut off a finger. All right, you're not going to do that again. Thankfully, it was a virtual finger. It's going to grow back out. Your competence is going to grow. It's more fun to work with sharp tools.
And that actually contributes to the ramp that goes to infinity.
Yes, to the learning.
Value integrated systems.
We kind of hit on that one. Rails is trying to solve the whole problem of the web, not just one little component. It's not leaving you a bunch of pieces you have to put together yourself.